So the headlights came in, and I want to go ahead and put those on. I'm excited. We also got the lip kit, the turbocharger, all that came in. So step by step, little by little, I want to put the headlights on first because they're retrofitted and man, they look nice. Let's get to it. So not going all the way in. I see the problem. Yeah, that's not going all the way in. Hold on. The reason why they call it retrofit. But if I can't get it in, oh man, it's gotta go all the way up to here. I see that. Wow. There you go. All right. So the way they're designed is it's an aftermarket piece, so it's kind of hard to get in, but yeah, that looks pretty cool. I can even see the line where it cuts off. Now, I'm not too fond with these yellow bulbs, but they'll do for now, at least till I can buy the other ones. Okay, same thing now, just with this side, the left side. Let's get it going. Real quick, guys, inside these aftermarket projector lights, sometimes the fork that gets power can be in, and it's not letting you go in. You could break something. I almost did. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead, I turned off the power, and I'm gonna separate them. Check it out, right here. Bam. In case y'all didn't know, I'm in South Texas by the border, and it is fucking hot. It's 105 degrees right now. And so far, I mean, look, those new headlights, they look pretty damn good, don't they? That shit looks fire. Car's dirty because, let's face it, it can't always be clean out here in the ranch. Let me show you something. Look at this. All dirt everywhere. So no matter how much you clean it or what, it's gonna be fucked up. But real quick, let me show y'all something. Look what came in the mail. Look what came in the mail. We got the whole Sidewinder kit. Here's the turbo, 35. Got everything ready to put in. I just wanted to go ahead and put the headlights real quick. And I'm excited, bro. Everything's here. So we'll get that on another video. So thanks y'all for watching. Headlights are in. Let's go.